Welcome to a revolutionary chapter in the electric scooter market by Bajaj Auto. Their newest sensation, the Chetak premium electric scooter, is redefining the landscape of urban commute. But this isn't merely a scooter, it's a declaration of a stylish, sustainable future. Exhibiting an iconic design inspired by its legendary namesake, the Chetak premium electric scooter is an amalgamation of the old and the new. Its classic retro look, combined with modern elements, make for an aesthetic pleasing to every eye. The elegant and the signature horseshoe-shaped LED headlight are a nod to the iconic Chetak of yesteryears. Chetak Premium also boasts of high-tech features that make it a trailblazer in the electric scooter segment. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides vital information at a glance. Its IP67 rated high-tech lithium-ion battery with NCA cells offers an impressive range of up to 126 kilometers. It also offers two riding modes, Eco and Sport, catering to your diverse riding preferences. This isn't just a scooter, it's a testament of Bajaj Auto's commitment to innovative, sustainable mobility. Bajaj has always been a brand synonymous with innovation, and the Chetak Premium is a testament to this legacy. This electric scooter combines advanced technology with a classic design, offering an optional tech pack package for those who crave additional features. There is a new 2 kWh battery pack that provides an astounding estimated range of 127 kilometers. This means more time on the road and less time tethered to a charging station. Speaking of charging, the Chetak Premium takes just 4 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge, ensuring that it's always ready to hit the road when you are. But the innovation doesn't stop at the battery. The top speed has increased to a breezy 73 kilometers per hour, making the daily commute a breeze. The scooter also comes equipped with LED lighting, self-canceling blinkers, an electronic handle lock, and enhanced storage capacity, ensuring a ride that is as safe as it is smooth. For those who crave a touch of luxury, the premium variant includes a 5-inch TFT display and extra features like turn-by-turn navigation and call notifications. And all this comes for a price of just 1.15 lakhs in India. The Chetak Premium is not just an electric scooter, it's the dawn of a new era, a symbol of the future of urban mobility. Available in 3 color options, it's set to make a splash in the market. The Chetak Premium electric scooter is Bajaj's answer to the future of urban commuting. With its advanced technology, impressive range, and array of features, it stands as a testament to Bajaj's commitment to innovation and sustainability. We hope you've enjoyed this exhilarating ride through the features of the Chetak Premium electric scooter. It's been a journey of discovery, understanding the intricacies of this magnificent machine. Now we want to hear from you. How did you like the video? Do you see yourself zipping through city streets on this modern marvel? Share your thoughts, comments, and questions in the section below. Your engagement is the fuel that drives us to create more in-depth content. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, family, and fellow scooter enthusiasts. And most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more such detailed insights into the world of innovative transportation solutions. And remember, no matter what you ride, ride safe.